This is GemLightbox. It will change the way you photograph jewelry forever. Refined colors, consistent photography and studio quality images with just a smartphone. Using your smartphone camera, capture colors and details you never thought possible before. That's because our custom LED technology has been specifically manufactured and tweaked for the perfect lighting temperature and lumen output. GemLightbox is compatible with both smartphones and DSLR cameras. Designed by jewelers for the jewelry industry, our team have condensed decades of photography knowledge inside GemLightbox. A special blend of white acrylics and shiny mirrors have been positioned so that your diamonds dazzle and metals radiate. Custom placeholders have been created for all your jewelry products. A reflective tabletop too for a reflective finish, and a shadow table for a shadow finish. Capture earrings and necklaces using our custom necklace stand or place them flat on the tabletops. Two shooting perspectives mean you can capture all angles of your jewelry. A sparkle light to bring out sparkles in your stones. Share beautiful images with the world. GemLightbox.